Unraveling the Mysteries of Creation, 10 Explanations for the Origin of Animal Diversity on Earth, tracing the origins of Earth's diverse fauna. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the complexity and wonder of the natural world. From the soaring birds of the sky to the majestic whales of the sea, the animal kingdom encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own unique adaptations and characteristics. But how did these diverse creatures come to inhabit our planet? In this intriguing exploration, we'll delve into 10 explanations that shed light on the origins of animals, from birds and dogs to cats, fish, whales, dolphins, and beyond. 1. Evolutionary theory. The theory of evolution by natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin, provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the origin and diversification of animal life on Earth. According to this theory, all living organisms, including animals, share a common ancestor and have evolved over millions of years through gradual changes and adaptations to their environments. 2. Common ancestry. Modern animals, from birds and mammals to fish and reptiles, share a common ancestry that can be traced back to ancient life forms that inhabited Earth billions of years ago. Genetic and fossil evidence supports the idea of common descent, with organisms evolving and diversifying over time into the myriad species we see today. 3. Genetic variation. Genetic variation plays a crucial role in driving the evolution and diversification of animal species. Mutations, genetic recombination, and other mechanisms introduce variability into populations, allowing organisms to adapt to changing environments and ecological niches. Natural selection acts upon this variation, favoring traits that enhance survival and reproduction. 4. Adaptation to habitats. Animals have evolved a diverse range of adaptations to inhabit virtually every corner of the Earth, from deserts and forests to oceans and polar regions. These adaptations include physical features such as wings for flight, fins for swimming, and camouflage for concealment, as well as behavioral traits that enable animals to find food, avoid predators, and reproduce successfully in their respective habitats. 5. Speciation events. Speciation, the process by which new species arise, occurs through mechanisms such as geographic isolation, reproductive isolation, and genetic divergence. Over time, isolated populations may diverge genetically and morphologically, eventually becoming reproductively isolated and evolving into distinct species with unique characteristics and ecological roles. 6. Environmental pressures. Environmental pressures, including changes in climate, habitat loss, predation, and competition for resources, exert selective pressures on animal populations, driving evolutionary change. Species that are well adapted to their environments are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits to future generations. 7. Convergent evolution. Convergent evolution occurs when unrelated species independently evolve similar traits or adaptations in response to similar environmental pressures. Examples include the evolution of wings in birds, bats, and insects for flight, or the development of streamlined body shapes in dolphins, sharks, and ichthyosaurs for efficient swimming. 8. Coevolutionary relationships. Coevolutionary relationships between species, such as predator-prey interactions, mutualistic symbioses, and parasitic associations, can drive the diversification and specialization of animal species. Coevolutionary dynamics shape the evolutionary trajectories of interacting species, leading to reciprocal adaptations and the emergence of complex ecological relationships. 9. Genetic drift. Genetic drift, the random fluctuation of allele frequencies in small populations, can also contribute to the diversification of animal species. In isolated or bottlenecked populations, genetic drift may lead to the fixation of certain alleles or the loss of genetic diversity, resulting in population divergence and the formation of new species over time. 10. Paleontological evidence. Paleontological evidence, including fossils and fossilized remains, provides valuable insights into the evolutionary history of animals and the processes that have shaped their diversity over time. Fossil discoveries document the emergence of new species, evolutionary transitions, and ecological adaptations that have occurred throughout Earth's history. Conclusion: celebrating the wonders of animal diversity. The origin and diversification of animal life on Earth is a story of resilience, adaptation, and innovation that spans billions of years of evolutionary history. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, animals have evolved a remarkable array of forms, functions, and behaviors that reflect their diverse ecological roles and evolutionary legacies. By unraveling the mysteries of animal origins and understanding the processes that have shaped their diversity, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world and our place within it.